On this Weather Action Day, we're seeing some major travel disruptions at Denver International Airport.
We are sorry to all you spring breakers out there. Hundreds of flights have been canceled or delayed because of the weather. FlightAware is reporting more than 800 cancellations, more than 100 delays, so make sure to check your flight status if you're planning on heading to DIA.
And Denver 7's Rob Harris is live at the airport with the latest on what travelers are seeing. Rob?
Yeah, so like you guys were saying, a lot of people just didn't come to the airport at all or didn't make it to Denver because their flights were preemptively canceled. But if anyone out there is watching and is still planning to travel today and they've checked the app and their flight still says that it's scheduled to go out today, the good news is you should be pretty good in terms of being in shape here at the airport. If you look at the security behind me, almost no lines. Every security checkpoint right now has 0 to 4 minutes in terms of wait. I'll have you look at the window, though, behind the security line. You can see we have some light snow. It is blowing here. As of this morning, DIA wasn't seeing the total snow amounts other parts in Colorado were, only a few inches here, but it is still coming down. We're waiting for that second band to come through. So, I'm saying all this with that caveat of crews here at DIA have been able to keep up with that snow so far. They say they have hundreds of crews out there to de-ice the runways and the planes. It's been keeping those flights that are still scheduled coming in and out okay so far. But as that second band comes through, we're going to have to just basically wait and see. So what they're really asking for travelers is to check in with their flights before they come here, because you don't want to get here and find out that your flight's been canceled when you could have just slept in your own bed. If, however, you do end up here at the Denver airport and you're stranded for a little bit of time, I am told that they have the blankets and the cots ready in case people need to catch some Z's while they're waiting for their flights. And they also have crews around to try to direct you as best they can to make those other arrangements, should that be the case later this afternoon. Jacqueline.
Thanks so much, Rob. Hopefully those people will not have to spend their spring breaks on a cot at the airport. That is not fun. All right.